I am writing a story. Me, Yariahan Ikoriasu. You are reading a book. Ti, Lerikahan Pakoriasu. She is sleeping alone. Tei, Akulugui Gunjiase. We are going to the airport. Ami, airporte giasi. Homa janailu? Here I am Tapata Singha from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri through tenses. Today, I am going to share some sentences on present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. So, be with me till the end. The first sentence on present continuous tense is I am studying for my exams. I means me. I am studying means me tamkoriasu. Study means tamkorani. I am studying me tamkoriasu for my exams. My exams more পরীক্ষার কাজে. My means more, exams means পরীক্ষা. More পরীক্ষার কাজে me কাম করি আছো. For means কাজে. So it will be I am studying for my exams. Me more পরীক্ষার কাজে কাম করিয়া আছো. This is present continuous tense. Okay. When I say I study for my exams. Me more পরীক্ষার কাজে কাম করৌরি. This is present indefinite tense. I study for my exams. Present indefinite tense. When I say about present continuous tense, it will be I am studying, not I study. I study is present indefinite tense. Me tam koruri. I am studying means me tam koria asu. Me tam koria asu. I am studying. This sentence is present continuous tense. I am studying for my exams. Me more পরীক্ষার কাজে tam koria asu. We are going to the airport. We means ami. We means ami. We are going. Ami giasi. We are going. Continuous tense. Ami giasi to the airport. Airporte. To the airport. Airporte ami giasi. The next sentence is she is sleeping alone. She is sleeping alone. She means they. She is sleeping means they gunjia ase. Sleep means gunjani. Sleeping gunjia ase. Alone means akhuligoi. They akhuligoi gunjia ase. She is sleeping alone. These are the sentences on present continuous tense. Now, let me share some sentences on past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. What it will be? If I say I am reading a book. If I say I am reading a book, this is present continuous tense. When we say about past continuous tense, it will be I was reading a book. Is clear? Me, if I say I am reading a book, me lerikahan tam koria asu or me lerikahan pa koria asu. When we say I was reading a book, then it will be me lerikahan pa koria asilu. Me lerikahan pa koria asilu. It was continuous in the past. Me lerikahan pa koria asilu. I was reading a book. Me lerikahan pakoria asili. The next sentence is my friend was buying a new phone. My friend more itawe. More itawe. Friend means itaw. More itawe was buying. Loya asil. A new phone. A means ahan. New means nua. Phone means phone. So it will be more itawe nua phone ahan loya asil. My friend was buying a new phone. The next sentence is we were speaking our mother tongue. We means ami. We were speaking. Ami totore asilang or ami gujuria asilang. Speaking means totorani or gujurani. Both are correct. We were speaking. Ami totore asilang our mother tongue. Amar imar thar. Mother tongue. Tongue means mother tongue means imar thar. Ami amar imar thare totore asilang. We were speaking our mother tongue. She was cooking for us. She was cooking. They radiasili. For us. Amar kache. She was cooking for us. They amar kache radia asili. She means they was cooking radia asili. For means kaje, us means amar. So it will be she was cooking for us. They amar kache radia asili. The next sentence is he was standing behind the tree. He was standing. He means ta was standing. Ubaya asil. Ubaya asil. He was standing. Ta ubaya asil. Behind means pithiede. Behind means pithiede. Behind the tree. Tree means gasopar. Pithiede ta ubaya asil. He was standing behind the tree. Ta gasopar pithiede ubaya asil. So these are the sentences on past continuous tense. Now let me share some sentences on future continuous tense. The first sentence is I will be studying for my exams. I have taken the same sentence from present continuous tense. It was I am studying for my exams. Okay, so this present continuous tense, when we talk about future continuous tense, it will be I will be studying for my exams. I'll be studying for my exams. I will be studying. Me tam korea thaito. Me tam korea thaito. If it is present continuous tense, we say me tam korea asu. If it is future continuous tense, we say me tam korea thaito. For my exams. More porikhar kache. For my exams means more. My means more. For means kache. Exam means porikha. So it will be for my exams means more porikhar kache. So the full sentence is I will be studying for my exams. Me more porikhar kache tam korea thaito. Mi more porikhar kache tam korea thaito. The next sentence. You will be drinking coffee. You will be drinking. Drink means pina. Tea, you means tea. You will be drinking tea. Pia thai tea. Pia thai tea. Future continuous. You will be drinking what? Coffee. 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 Pia thai tea. Tea. Coffee. Pia thai tea. You will be drinking coffee. The next sentence is the sun will be shining. The sun means belihan. The sun will be shining. Belihan jolkeya thaitoi. Belihan jolkeya thaitoi will be shining. Future continuous tense. Belihan jolkeya thaitoi. The next sentence. He will be walking in the park with Tom. He will be walking. Walking means atia, atani. Walk means atani. Walking, atia. Will be walking, atia thaitui. He will be walking, ta atia thaitui. In the park. Parke atia thaitui with Tom. Tom or lage. Ta, the subject first. He will be walking in the park with Tom. Subject first, he means ta, ta, Tom or lage, last one. Tom or lage, then second last, in the park. Parke, then the verb will be walking. Ta, Tom or lage, parke, atia thaitui. Ta, Tom or lage, parke, atia thaitui. So these are the sentences on future continuous tense. I hope you have understood today's lesson, that is present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Let me conclude today. If you have any questions, write down in the comment box. Thank you. Meet you again. Take care. Dhanabad.